Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem in data manipulation using poolers. In this scenario, we have a list of floats in column A, and we need to generate a new column B that contains a sequence from the minimum to the maximum values in intervals of 0.5. The tricky part is handling edge cases, such as when the original list only has one unique value. Let's dive into the solution provided and see how it addresses this issue effectively. The solution presented tackles the problem elegantly by creating an inclusive integer range from 2 times the minimum to 2 times the maximum value, and then dividing it by 2. This approach ensures that even in cases where there is only one unique value in the list, the sequence is generated correctly without errors. By leveraging this concise and efficient code snippet, we can achieve the desired outcome without any hiccups. Kudos to the straightforward and effective solution provided. In summary, we've explored a clever approach to solving the problem of generating a sequence based on the values in a list using poolers. By implementing the solution outlined here, we can efficiently handle edge cases and ensure the correct sequence is generated for each row in the dataset. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding